everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you go ahead and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my September Ipsy Glam. If you like and enjoy these type of videos, keep watching. Okay, here is my September's Ipsy. And if this is your first time watching my Ipsy videos, I get the Ipsy Glam, the one that's $12 a month. And for September, this is the bag, and it is two-toned, and I love it. It's corduroy. It's like a corduroy bag, and I like it. It is so cute. They have been sending out the cutest bags. And on the little thing, the little tassel, it just says Ipsy. Okay, this month I ordered a extra item, so I will do that at the end of the video. And for September, the theme is good vibes, and this is the card. And what I am most excited about is they put the descriptions back inside the card, which I'm super excited about that. In the card, it says your 5 glam products value at 50 plus are here to get you in your beauty groove. Open up for a major feel good moment. And that's what it says on the inside of the card. I am just so excited they started back putting the notes in here. And the first item I got is the NYX Professionals Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. And it looks like it is a dark shade. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. That's the way it looks. Oh, that is pretty. I think I can use this. I love it. And this is a 0.27 fluid ounce. And the notes for this is, this rich berry liquid lipstick might be the smoothest, creamiest matte lip color we've tried. The formula is highly pigmented, buildable, and doesn't feel heavy on your lips. So feel free to layer it on. Then bonus is it's super long lasting. Also, you won't have to worry about touch-ups. And this is the NYX Liquid Matte Soft Cream in Copenhagen. And for a full size of this, it retails for $6.50. And then the next item is a Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls. It's a curl define lotion. You can see that. I will insert a picture of it in case it doesn't show up. And this is a 50 ml, which is a 1.69 fluid ounce. And the notes for this is, consider this multitasking lotion a one-way ticket to the best curls of your life. It's infused with vitamin E and silk proteins to give curls major control and define, but without any stickiness or crunch. It even repels humidity and keeps frizz and flyaways in check too. And the tips for this is, for a curl refresh, mix with water in a empty spray bottle, then mist over hair and scrunch. And this is the Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls. And for a deluxe, this is a deluxe sample size, and for a full size it is $7.99, which the full size is a 8.3 ml. So I'm going to try this, see what it smells like. of course I have to smell it. It smells good. It smells really good. Okay, and the next item is one of my favorites. It is the Professional Hydrate Primer. I've never tried the Hydrate, but I have the other two that they make. And this is a 3.0 mil, which is 0.1 fluid ounce. And the notes for this is, with your busy life, a good primer like this oil-free formula is key to a fresh, long-lasting look. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation to prevent oils from wearing down your makeup, and hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. The tips for this is, dot this on your forehead, nose, cheek, and chin and blend it out. A little goes a long way. This is a deluxe sample size, and for a full size, which is a 22 mil, is $32. And I can't wait to try this. I've never tried the Hydrate Primer, but I have the Pro and I have the Pearl Primer. So I know this one is going to be a good one. And this is the Benefits Professional Hydrate Primer. And the next item is Sunday's Nail Polish number 4. And this, oh, it's pink. It's a pale pink and I love it. You know I love my pink. I've never heard of Sundays. Oh, a pretty pale pink. Can't wait to try this. This is a 14 mil, which is a 0.47 fluid ounce. And this is called Sunday's Polish number 4. And the notes for this is, meet the healthy polish you've been looking for. Sunday's nail polishes are all vegan, tin-free, non-toxic, and void of any and all harsh chemicals. But that doesn't mean they sacrifice payoff and wear. This soft ballerina pink shade delivers strength, shine, and long-lasting colors. The tips for this is, don't forget to swipe the free edge of your nail with polish to help your mani last longer, which is the tip of your nail. And for a full size of this polish, it retails for $18. And it's ballerina pink. I love it. I'm gonna have to put that on. Okay, and the next item is a Dose Free Matic Blush in Zen Orange. And this is a 0.10 ounce. And this is the way it looks. It's like a nude, which I love a pinky nude. Okay, and the notes for this is, meet your makeup bag's newest secret weapon. A few sweeps of this universally flattering peach blush gives skin a healthy glow in seconds. You don't need to be a pro to make it look perfect. The silky powder glides on effortlessly for streak and smudge free application. The tips for this is, dust it on your cheeks, cheekbone, templates, and the bridge of your nose for a instant glow. And this is a sample size, and for the deluxe size of this, it retails for $14, and that is for a 3.4 gram. And this is the Dose Free Matic Blush in Zen Orange, and it says that it is a peachy tone. The last item I picked up, which was $3 from Ipsy, and it is the Tarte Big Ego mascara, and it is in the shade black, and it is a 2 ml, which is a 0.067 fluid ounce. And the notes for this is it instantly lifts, strengthens, and volumizes lashes. It is flake free and clump free. It delivers fully loaded flutter for 16 hours, and for a full size of this at Ulta, which is a 0.23 ounce, it retails for $23. And this is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Ooh, and it has a good one on it. Can't wait to try it. I'm definitely going to be using this. I was wanting me another mascara. Okay, that is all that I received in my September Ipsy Glam. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you received the Ipsy Glam or if you are thinking about getting the Ipsy Glam. Also, let me know if you do receive it, if we got the same products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at MissHighMaintenance_33. Thumbs up this video, share this video. Don't forget to hit your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.